Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fantom AI token. Now this token is just about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. This is a brand new token. They have a full audit. This is a ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, and they're going to be having a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Ticker symbol is FAAI. Now I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section so you guys can easily find this pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on the Fantom AI token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Fantom AI token. So their official webpage is fantom-ai.network. Now, Fantom is a blockchain, and they have their own coin, ticker symbol FTM. This token is actually not on the Fantom blockchain, though. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Fantom Space AI is the name of the token. Ticker symbol FAAI, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 23 million tokens. Now, this pre-sale could sell out fast. It's a public pre-sale. It does have a hard cap. So as soon as they reach the hard cap, the pre-sale is over, or it is a 48-hour pre-sale. So whatever comes first, the hard cap or 48 hours, that's when the pre-sale will be done. Soft cap for the pre-sale is 25 ETH, and hard cap is 100 ETH. So once they reach 100 ETH, the pre-sale is over. Minimum purchase for this pre-sale is 0.025 ETH, and maximum buy is 5 ETH. So the most you can spend is 5 Ethereum on this token, and that's to decentivize whales, from investing, buying a whole bunch of tokens and then pump and dumping the price because of, a whale wallet. Now they do have a full audit by Cyberscope, and you can check that out on PinkSale. It says AI-powered tokenization platform enabling users to effortlessly create tokens and tokenize assets through a chat GPT-style interface. The Fantom AI platform simplifies the tokenization process, allowing for the seamless creation and management of digital assets without the need for any coding knowledge. They had a private pre-sale that completely sold out. And now they're having then they had a strategic pre-sale that completely sold out. And now it's a public pre-sale. And then after that, they'll be launching on Uniswap. So basically, if you missed this pre-sale, first of all, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, if you do end up missing this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Uniswap for purchase. It'll be March 15th, it says. That's when it'll be listed. So pre-sale price is 6 cents per token. But then when it goes over to Uniswap, 15 cents per token. So more than doubled. So that's an incentive to get it on PinkSale. And like I said, links will be down below. But if you go check the links down below and the pre-sale is over, you can get this token March 15th by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Fantom AI token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, fantom-ai.network. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And it says here their Twitter, their x.com is at FAAI_network. I'm going to put that on the screen here as usual. And you can see on this Twitter right here, they have a link to their Telegram at Fantom Portal. They just joined in November 2023, brand new project, 8,071 Twitter followers. They have a link to their webpage there and 13 tweets that you could check out. And their Telegram there at Fantom Portal has 1,393 subscribers. You could preview the channel there and check out the info on this token on their Telegram. If you want to head over to their webpage too, they have some info over there. It says you can put in your email to join a wait list. But I mean, you don't really need to do that if the token is live for pre-sale here. And they have, it says, say hello to Fantom, an AI omni-chain, no-code tokenization platform powered by Layer 0. So that's what the link is there on their Twitter there. It says, FAAI is the native token powered by @layer0_lab. So you could check out that there. I did do a video a while ago on Layer 0's coin. You can check that token, or you can check that video out on my channel. Just search for that in the video section. So just a few prompts and Fantom will launch a token for you. So you can make a Fantom on this Fantom Launchpad. The Artificial Intelligence Token Launcher. Launch your own compliant token like FAAI on Ethereum, Solana, Binance, Arbitrum, and more using ChatGPT-style prompt interface without touching a line of code. So Layer 0 Omni-chain uses a whole bunch of chains, and so this token launcher is on a whole bunch of chains as well. So ETH, Sol, BNB, ARB, etc. The Fantom Launchpad allows users to raise funds for their tokens without worrying about the technical aspects. Then they also have Artificial Intelligence Smart Contract Auditor. So Fantom uses AI to perform on-the-spot token audits, assuring users about the contracts they launch through the platform. So their partners are Layer 0, Hyro, and Summa Partners. And FAAI is the native token for the whole tokenization platform. It's going to power all the utilities involved in this project. So go check out this pre-sale, basically just starting right now on pinksale.finance. Links will be down below. Also check out all those referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.